Yate, hello, and welcome to the Everett Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. Today's Navajo Word of the Day is he or she inspires me. To say that in Navajo, you say Shiyaa honiiłi, Shiyaa honiiłi. He or she inspires me. And that can mean he or she sold me on it, he or she convinced me, or he or she inspires me. Shiyaa honiiłi. To use it in a sentence, you can say Shizhé'é Diyin God Bizaad, sizó nanihintingo, nihiyaa shiyah honiiłi. Shizhé'é Diyin God Bizaad, sizó nanihintingo, nihiyaa shiyah honiiłi. Which means, standing on the word of God, my Father raised us and taught us. For that reason, he inspires me. And that is today's Navajo Word of the Day, Shiyaa honiiłi. He or she inspires me. And I'd like to say Happy Father's Day to my dad. Shizhé'é Bééhániih, hózhó. Have a nice day.